Banana. She peels the banana. She peels the banana. Apple. I pick the apple. I pick the apple. Orange. The oranges hang on the tree. The oranges hang on the tree. Grape. He checks the grapes. He checks the grapes. Strawberry. She eats the strawberry. She eats the strawberry. Watermelon. I cut the watermelon. I cut the watermelon. Pineapple. The pineapple looks good. The pineapple looks good. Mango. That's a lot of mangoes. That's a lot of mangoes. Pear. The pear hangs on the tree. The pear hangs on the tree. Blueberry. She takes the blueberries. She takes the blueberries. Cherry. The cherry is on the cake. The cherry is on the cake. Raspberry. I pick raspberries. I pick raspberries. Kiwi. The kiwi is green. The kiwi is green. Lemon. I squeeze the lemon. I squeeze the lemon. Lime. I cut limes. I cut limes. Peach. I wash the peach. I wash the peach. Plum. The plums are purple. The plums are purple. Avocado. I open the avocado. I open the avocado. Coconut. That's a coconut. That's a coconut. Papaya. The papaya has many seeds. The papaya has many seeds. Grapefruit. I open the grapefruit. I open the grapefruit. Pomegranate. The pomegranate is red. The pomegranate is red. Fig. That's a lot of figs. That's a lot of figs. Cranberry. She mixes the cranberries. She mixes the cranberries. Blackberry. These are blackberries. These are blackberries. Apricot. I pick an apricot. I pick an apricot. Nectarine. The nectarine has a pit. The nectarine has a pit. Guava. These are guavas. These are guavas. Mandarin. I take the mandarins. I take the mandarins. Passion fruit. She shows the passion fruit. She shows the passion fruit.